If your expectations are unrealistic, your progress will never feel good enough, no matter what the scale says, no matter how far you've come, because when you expect the weight to melt off overnight, when you expect the medication to carry you through without any effort, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. And honestly, for some people, that disappointment is exactly what they're used to chasing. As much as it's hard to accept, this process takes time. This takes time. I'm just going to come out and say it. There are a lot of people on GLP-1 medications that are still carrying the same exact mindset that failed them in every single previous weight loss journey they've experienced. Seeing questions frequently like, how fast can I lose 50 pounds? What's the best injection site to lose the most weight the fastest? Even statements like, I'm skipping my shot next week so I can enjoy my vacation and eat whatever I want. That's not transformation. That's still trying to manipulate the process. That is chasing convenience, not change. And if that's where your head is, you're not preparing to succeed. You're preparing to fail. Unrealistic expectations, they don't just make you impatient. They make it easier to quit and say things like, this just isn't working, before you've even given the process a chance to really start. You didn't choose a magic fix. You chose a powerful tool, and just like any other tool, it only works when you work with it. GLP-1s aren't supposed to be this dramatic weight loss every week. They're supposed to give you space to think clearly, space to rebuild your relationship with food, space to create routines that feel sustainable. But if you're still hoping for speed instead of sustainability, you're missing the entire point. This journey is not a race. It's a reintroduction to who you're capable of becoming. So if today's message hit a nerve, good, because your future self needs you to slow down and get honest. We are no longer choosing to operate in a state of delusion. This journey takes time, and it is indeed worth it. So I want you to drop a stop sign in the comments if you're ready to let go of unrealistic expectations, and tell me, what's one mindset shift that's keeping you grounded right now? As always, remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.